All right, now next is Uniqua Jones.
Thank you. All right, how everybody doing tonight? Well, this afternoon. Everybody doing good? Now, I'm here to give you a little bit of information about our speaker today. She's all the way from Florence, South Carolina. Now, I don't know when her birthday is, but she's been 23 for the past 8 years. I don't know how she do it. Yeah, she lead the ministry over there. She lead the teens over there. She preach, she dance, she sing. She a triple threat, yeah. She do everything. But many of y'all know Minister Gloria. She our speaker for the day.
Lego.
What? Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Tell me what you think. I go get these bottles. You can't say you drew a plane. Coming out the face. Reaching down the world. Jesus, introduced to the back. Like I got some sparking when I get word in the mouth. Going to the top, get moved to the left, to the move to the side.
There we go.
Nobody here wants to see your butt. Hands up, pull your pants up. Nobody here wants to see your butt. Hands up, pull your pants up. Nobody here needs to see your butt. All around the world, hear me? Pull your pants up. Don't come near me. All around the world, hear me? Pull your pants up. Don't come near me. Y'all hear me? Y'all hear me? I need you to give me that. I need you to put your hands up. Pull your hands up. Come on. One more time. Hands up. Here we go. Hands up. Pull your pants up. Nobody here needs to see your butt. Hands up. Pull your pants up. Nobody here wants to see your butt. Hands up. Pull your pants up. Nobody here needs to see your butt. Hands up. Pull your pants up. Nobody here needs to see your butt. One more time. All around the world, hear me? Pull your pants up. Don't come near me. All around the world, hear me? Pull your pants up. Feel me.
Okay. Yeah, boy.
Pull your pants up. Look, now I got stuff for y'all parents. Look, parents. If you just buy them some clothes that fit, that won't be falling. Okay, I'm done with that. Give me a minute. I forgot my mic. I do apologize. I've been going.
I saw you in the background now. You get down back there. I saw you back there. I saw you back there.
I can do that one.
Your pants up?
Yeah,
you gotta put the pants up.
Hold on.
You gotta put the pants up.
Hold on. Back
up. Come right back up.
Back up. Yeah, they put up.
Alright. Hold on, what? Why you confused for? Oh, there we go. No, we right here.
I'm at my mind. I don't know where it went.
Where your mind at? The mall, I think. I don't know.
Mall.
I had to play.
Alright, we got a guest artist. C-Man.
Hold on.
Hold up. How
we
you
gonna
gonna
bring this word today. No. We gotta get the word.
How you gonna skip the word?
Y'all need to get out. Come on. No.
Excuse me.
No, step off.
Okay, I won't.
Come on. Make sure your pants are
Hop
pulled
in your
up.
back.
Come on, let's go.
What?
Let's go.